Hi people, how are you guys doing? Hope you all are great. You are highly welcome to another interesting video. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, please do wait to subscribe, like, share and comment down below. Understand? Comment on the comment section so that we know that I'm interacting with my loved ones, with my good friends. Always drop your comments so that we'll know that you are available, you are there. So if you are seeing my face for the first time, please, my name is Nelly Choose. Understand? If you are seeing my face for the first time, it's your girl Nelly Choose. So guys, you are highly welcome to today's video. So I'm about to prep dinner this evening, and I'm about to cook ogbono. This ogbono go well because for 2 days now I've not swallowed. And it's not my career for staying 2 days without swallowing, so I need to swallow. 2 days I've not swallowed. For what? I need to swallow. So guys, I want to prepare ogbono soup, just small soup that we can finish this night. Even if I thought the soup remain, it may be for one person. That is how I want to do it. And this ogbono, I'm going to pound it. Have you ever tested ogbono that you grind with your engine or blender and the one you pound with mortar? The difference is clear. If you don't know, go and try it. Pound ogbono in your mortar if you have it, and blend or grind with your engine. Come back and tell me the difference. Both the flavor, everything is different. So guys, stay tuned. Don't click out of this video. Please watch this video to the end. Just stay with me. Let's cook this soup, and I will see you guys very soon. So stay together. So guys, I'm done washing the chicken, cutting them. This is the pot I'm using to cook it. So the soup, I told you, is going to be simple and classic. You know, when a woman dress simple, they will say the person is classic. So the soup is simple and classic. What happened? Go.
She no fine, she too short, she no tall, she too old.
So guys, I'm going to be using this crayfish and this okwe to brand this pound this ogbono. I told you guys that I'm going to be pounding the ogbono to give me that ogbono-ish flavor. If there's anything like ogbono-ish, to give me that ogbono flavor. So also, while my daughter will be pounding this one, while I'll be squeezing my bitter leaf. Just a touch of bitter leaf.
Now me the love am, na so I like am. Leave am for me, leave am for me. Anyhow she be. Now me the love am, na so I like am. Leave am for me. Her head is too big, leave am. Her mouth is too wide, leave am. Her neck is too long, her leg is too short. Her she no big, leave am for me. Her head is too big, leave am. Her mouth is too wide, leave am. Her neck is too long. Now me the love am, na so I like am. Leave am for me, leave am for me. Anyhow she be. Now me the love am, na so I like am. Leave am for me. Her head is too big, leave am. Her mouth is too wide, leave am. Her neck is too long, her leg is too short. Her neck she no big, leave am for me. Her head is too big, leave am. Her mouth is too wide, leave am. Her neck is too long. Now me the love am, na so I like am. Leave am for me, leave am for me. Anyhow she be. Now me the love am, na so I like am. Leave am for me.
So guys,
Her head Hama tutu white, leave am. Haneki too
So
long.
if you have not been following my mukbang channel, please go and support my mukbang channel. Vibe Lily. Oh Jesus. Guys, you know when you're filming with back camera, you have to be very careful before you be filming nonsense, thinking that the thing is recording. See me, I'm cutting half because there is no more space in my phone. As I said before, if you have not subscribed to my mukbang channel, please go and support me there. That is Vibe Nelly. That is the name. Go to Vibe Nelly, support me, subscribe, like, always like the video, subscribe, share it to your loved ones. That is the only way you can use to support my ministry. God bless you for subscribing, because I know you will subscribe. Understand? Before my I'm a nigga subscribe. So our soup is on fire. Wow, dancing. I've already set everything aside just to be putting. I pray let this obono draw, because at times you will get the versus what you order. That at times so it will turn to versus what I want, but I want this obono to draw very well. Not all obono that used to draw. You like what you see? Do you like what you see? You like what you see? Guys, I don't need much bitter leaf. I don't need much bitter leaf. Our soup is ready. Ready to consume. You like what you see? We'll have to leave it to steam for 2 minutes and bring it down. Yummy! So guys, our soup is ready, and here will be the end of our video. If you have watched to this extent, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share and comment. Drop your comment on the comment section what you think about this soup. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.